So here you can see I have my custom GPT opened on the left hand side, and it's connected to my local VS Code instance that's running on the right side. I'm just experimenting with an example project. So I have this hello world file, which simply prints out the glorious hello world to the console. And now I'm trying to ask the GPT to modify, trying to ask how to update this file. I'm giving it specific instructions on how I want this to be updated. And here you can see it's contacting VS Code, and it's talking, meaning that it's hitting the API, and it now discovers, it actually reads the files from your local project. It can read the current visible editors, but it can also read any number of files from the project. And now it's coming up with a change that it wants to make. And it will not make the change before you actually approve it, so it will tell you what the change roughly is. So here it prints out the rough change it's going to perform, and you acknowledge this and saying yes, it's good to go. And let's see if it updates it correctly. So here it's talking to it again to actually perform the edit, and you need to, for now, you still need to allow it to access it. You can see on the right hand side it selects the portion of the text that it wants to update.
Yes.
You can see it now replaced the original function with the parameterized function. And that concludes the demo, because I ran out of, I got rate limited, but it can also set breakpoints, run your project, and help you with shortcuts.